Hey YouTube, it's Emily Jonas 152, and Hurricane Irene has just hit where I am, so I'm gonna go on like a dangerous walk where the trees are blowing like crazy, and there's branches in the middle of the road, but I picked them up. Oh, there's one of them. See, Dad? I put that there, but I had to be wicked careful because of this 11-year-old that got smashed by a branch. My iPod's getting wet. So really vacant right now. No one here. Everyone's inside. I'm the stupid one. Oh. This was a stump removal sign that got put up like a long time ago. I don't know what happened. Like probably it was like right here somewhere, and then it probably got ripped in half. But I'll just leave it like that. Now we're going to go into the really dangerous part. I think someone has their generator on, but my power went out this morning, so I'm gonna make sure I don't get hit by a branch or a car, and I don't want to die. And then if a branch lands on me, I pick up the branch and run. I think that's somebody's generator. Lucky peeps with the generator. I don't think they know that the power came back on. I'm scared. Ah! Ah! I'm standing in the middle of nowhere under a million trees. I'm so scared. Ah! I'm so stupid. Look at that gigantic branch. I'm gonna die. Ah! I gotta run! Ah! It's like Final Destination. Ah! That was funny. But I'm scared. Okay, let's try that again. I'm gonna get hit by a branch. These trees are wicked small. Look at how huge the puddle was. It flooded not too much up here. Those branches were up higher. But I'm really afraid to be walking under trees. Not the greatest idea, but I'm wearing rain boots so I can go wherever I want to. I'm gonna bring this huge piece of wood back home. See that? That's like a fresh piece of wood that got jabbed down into the ground. Bringing that home. Pretty interesting. Really cool. It's all softened out on the outside. I think it's part of a house or something.